Hi everyone, welcome to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams. So this is the first visit to Hemsby this year. We're just outside Seadale Chalet Park and the Seadale shops. Seadale shops looks like they've probably just opened up this week or end of last week, because they're still setting up for the season. But they'll be open every day. It is obviously still March. I'm filming this of Easter week, but Easter Friday is a few days away because it's Monday today. So yes, it is pretty quiet, but we'll still have a look around, see what's open, see what's changed. Have a walk. I'm going to go all the way down to the beach, see what it's like down at the beach. There's Bel-Air Chalet Park. Well, when I say Chalet Park, it's got caravans as well. Obviously the season's just sort of starting, with Easter being early this year. Been a lovely day today. I've been filming down Yarmouth as well. It is windy, but sun's out. I think all the arcades should be open. I mean, they are open all year. Most of them are anyway. The photo I put on not long ago of the fire in Hemsby, that was just here. There was a chip shop at the front and some other sort of shops. Yeah, that's where the fire was about 10 years ago. Now we've got Richardson's Cafe there. This is where Bevan's was. Those old photos I put of Bevan's, and was it Maria's just there? Obviously that's a few years ago. That was knocked down. Car park now. Obviously Oasis Amusements. That's where the bingo was, just here. of a walk down towards the beach. Hollywood Diner. Little John's, that's not open yet, and it'll be open at the weekend. Our price, they've got everything in there. Got the two-way cafe, popular place for breakfast. Obviously the lot of coastal erosion, unfortunately, at Hemsby. A lot of houses have been sadly lost over the last few years. You can see there the dunes are going. You can see the sea that you never used to be able to. Another popular chip shop, open Friday and Saturday, it says. Some more amusements and gift shop there. Probably won't be open until the weekend. And the golf, adventure golf. Crazy golf. The people that used to run the Bevans cafe, the old photos I put on, now run this pub here. So excellent food there. So if you want some food. There's the beach cafe. It's very windy, as you can hear. as you can see, a lot of the cliffs have been lost over the winter months. It's a lot further back now, and sadly you can see like the houses on the top. A lot of the road as well collapsed onto the beach over the winter as well. And there's a big descent now to actually get onto the beach, as you can see. There's the pillbox. And if you look over this side, you can actually see the car park now, where the beach erosion. They put all obviously the big rocks there, try and stop it. Right, we'll leave it at that. So that's Hemsby, and a little look at the what's happening down at the beach. There'll be more to come. Thanks for watching.